Here's how to install bouncy bands for chairs. We have two styles of bouncy bands that fit on the front legs of standard school chairs. The first is designed for elementary schools and fits chairs 13 to 17 inches wide. The second is generally used for middle and high school and is 17 to 24 inches wide. Measure carefully to be sure that you have chosen the right size. The first step is to assemble the band by taking one of the pipes, then slide one of the open holes on the band over the edge of the pipe. Then you pull it down until it is secure against the lip of the pipe. Repeat this step with the second end of the band. When it's assembled, be sure that the band is straight. Great job! To put the bouncy band on the chair, first put the chair on its side. Now hold one of the pipes where it meets the band. Slide it onto the chair leg, then put both of your feet on the leg and the pipe to steady the chair. Slide the other pipe over the top end of the leg of the chair. Stand the chair back up and you're ready to go. Students are now able to sit quietly while being active learners using their bouncy bands.